Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! Are you ready to read another set of sentences? Let's start. Kim is a polite girl. Again, Kim is a polite girl. Your turn to read, children. Bella is a responsible daughter. Again, Bella is a responsible daughter. Your turn to read, children. Sarah is an obedient child. Again, Sarah is an obedient child. Your turn to read, children. George loves his dinosaur toy. Again, George loves his dinosaur toy. Your turn to read, children. Sam and Tom are playing chess. Again, Sam and Tom are playing chess. Your turn to read, children. Peter is a smart student. Again, Peter is a smart student. Your turn to read, children. Tim is a helpful boy. Again, Tim is a helpful boy. Your turn to read, children. My best friend can sing well. Again, my best friend can sing well. Your turn to read, children. My sister is kind and sweet. Again, my sister is kind and sweet. Your turn to read, children. We should always respect our mother and father. Again, we should always respect our mother and father. Your turn to read, children. Children should drink milk every morning. Again, children should drink milk every morning. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the sentences together. Are you ready? Let's start. Kim is a polite girl. Bella is a responsible daughter. Sarah is an obedient child. George loves his dinosaur toy. Sam and Tom are playing chess. Peter is a smart student. Tim is a helpful boy. My best friend can sing well. My sister is kind and sweet. Children should drink milk every morning. We should always respect our mother and father. Great job, children! Remember to always practice reading so you could be a good and a fast reader. Also, please make sure that you have clicked the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.